In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notebooklm tutorial. This is a simple workflow for turning your own documents and links into a focused research space, where you can ask questions and save useful answers as you go. Start by opening Notebooklm. Once you are on the main screen, look for the button labeled plus create new and click it. This creates a fresh notebook, which is basically your dedicated workspace for a single project or topic. Giving each project its own notebook helps you keep sources and notes organized, especially when you are juggling different subjects. Next, you will add materials for Notebooklm to work with. Click Upload, then choose what you want to bring in. You can upload PDF files, add website URLs, or pull files directly from Google Drive. Try to keep your sources relevant to the same topic so the responses stay accurate and consistent. If your sources are long, that is fine, but it helps to include the most important documents first, like summaries, reports, or the key chapters you plan to reference. After your sources are loaded, take a look at the right-hand sidebar. You will see a section called Notebook Guides. This area provides guided tools, such as an audio overview or a video overview, depending on what is available in your workspace. These guides help you quickly get oriented with the material you added, and they can be useful when you want a high-level pass before digging into details. Now move to the chat box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you will query your sources. Type a specific question, using clear wording and enough context to point the system to what you mean. For example, instead of asking for a general summary, ask for a summary focused on a particular section, theme, or claim. Being specific helps you get an answer that is more actionable and easier to verify against your uploaded content. When you receive a response that you want to keep, click the Save to Note icon on that response. This pins the information to your board so you can reference it later without scrolling back through the chat. Save the key takeaways as you go, especially definitions, important quotes, or decision points, so your notes stay clean and useful. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.